Hi friends! April 13th is all about creativity, delicious treats, and taking time to connect with others. Let's make it an amazing day. There's something for everyone, and these are perfect opportunities to gift someone, even without a special reason. But wait, if these gifts are too late, and you missed out on this opportunity, don't worry. We've got something special for you in 2 weeks, and even more exciting events next month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. Let's just dive into it. First, it's National Scrabble Day. Test your word skills, and enjoy the creative challenge of Scrabble. Personalized letter tiles, or word games, make great ways to celebrate the fun of language. What's your highest scoring Scrabble word? Let's share the best moments in the comments. Next, make lunch count day. Pause your busy day to enjoy a proper lunch that refreshes your mind and body. Elevate your mealtime with recipes or meal prep ideas to make it special. What's your favorite go-to lunch dish? Let's share inspirations in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on more amazing content. And hey, share this video with your friends, they'll thank you later. Finally, it's National Peach Cobbler Day. Savor the sweet delight of peach cobbler, and take a moment to indulge in its comforting charm. Homemade cobbler recipes, or bakery treats, are perfect ways to celebrate this classic dessert. What's your favorite peach cobbler memory? Let's share the deliciousness in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, and in one of the next videos, the weekly upcoming events, celebrations of the 4th April week, and the same days of May, so you will get the right gift ideas early. Thanks for tuning in everyone. We'll see you next time with more exciting celebrations and unique holidays. Stay awesome.